I am unboxing a heart-shaped arch from Ketiestory. It comes in 2 boxes, as you can see. I love that the florals are attached to the frame. They come already attached to the frame. There are multiple pieces to make the heart arch. Those are the legs that it stands on. Here's the tool that they included, and then they numbered each of the pieces from 1 to 8, and that's how I knew the order in which to put it together. So I'm attaching it to the legs. These are the screws they included, and I will use those to put the rest of the pieces together. I laid it down. I believe it's better to put it together on the floor, so I should have waited to put the legs on. This is how it turned out. This is perfect for a proposal, wedding, anniversary, bridal shower, anything that celebrates love. Don't forget to use my coupon code CREATION30 for 30% off. Bye.